Hello guys, right now I'm going to make a pad thai. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So what I'm going to use to make pad thai, I'm going to use these kind of noodles. So I kind of soak it in because it's already hydrated. It's already hydrated. So yeah, also use beef sprout and green onion, chunk, and also radish. I just chop it out really tiny, and also use I use this one, dry roasted salt peanuts. Yeah, and eggs over here. I'm gonna use two of these eggs, and also chicken. I can't forget chicken and shrimp too. I'm gonna use this shrimp. So what is chicken breast? Whoa! I have to chop it really small. So this is shrimp I got. Good enough. So you put like oil, a little bit of oil, not much. And I'm gonna put in the chicken. When it's sizzling, I'm gonna put in chicken.
That's not chicken, that's fish.
So only use the inside part, okay? Don't use the skin. Only gonna use this. So you wait till it's sizzling and then you
Because you're stronger now from yesterday. It made you stronger by holding it. How come you don't take those off till after you cook it?
Huh?
The tails. How come you don't take the tail off until after you cook it? Well, what's the point of waiting until after you cook it to take it off?
It doesn't look good. It doesn't look nice. Baby shark. Baby shark. We're gonna put it on the side.
Fell out of my hand when I touched it. Shall I come get? chicken and shrimp.
Hello everybody, welcome
Hi.
back to our channel.
Golage,
Halage,
halage,
Osua Clea.
asu clear.
Kiki ni boko vera pad thai ma. Pad thai. It looks so yummy, huh?
Uh-huh.
I want to eat. I'm so hungry.
Now I do know the last time I
You
made a
wanna eat
video, I ate fish paste or
Uh-huh.
something, and I know there's a little bit in here. I'm not so worried about eating it because it smells good. You put peanuts in it this time? I saw you had peanuts up
A
there.
little bit of peanut, not much.
Okay, I like
don't want
peanuts.
A lot of peanuts.
But it doesn't need to have too many.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're also gonna show you the demonstrate how to cook it in the early videos, so you have the idea, you know, how to cook it.
Jojo already ate some of this. He just finished eating it, and then we made some more.
Okay. So we're gonna start eating now.
Or should I say Paul made some more while I hold the camera?
But swim.
It's not bad. Of course, I didn't get any shrimp in here. I'm not really against shrimp, but I'm not into shrimp. I was hoping we had more eggs, but I guess there's like no eggs in mine. Jojo loves shrimp.
You lost everything.
Oh! He's like, no. Here, Dad. He's not hungry. He just ate.
Eat this. Vegetables.
Don't throw it on my plate. Don't throw it on my plate if you don't want it. You don't want to throw it on Mama's plate. Okay? I was hoping I had more eggs in mine.
It's a homemade. I don't want too much egg.
All the eggs fell out during the mixing process. The pan was too small. Pretty good. You can barely taste the fish paste.
I'll eat with this chili.
I can taste a little bit of fish though. If you're watching this video, I just finished making a video on my channel where it's not video gaming, but it is gaming. It's a board game. So you should subscribe to my channel too and watch my videos. I know some people have, and they like watching my videos.
Hero skip.
Heroescape is a board game I play. And I just made a board in the attic. When I started editing it, it was 2 hours because it takes 3 to 4 hours to make the board. And I spent time off recording, getting the board set up. And when I started editing, it was at 2 hours. And with deleting stuff and speeding things up, I was able to get the video at 20 minutes. So I got a 20-minute video that's loading right now, but it'll probably be on YouTube before this video gets on YouTube because that's loading. And then we gotta edit and load this video. Right now, actually, Paul's loading a video that she recorded while I was editing that one. I think that means he's done eating.
It's quick, huh?
But it's a great video. Check out my channel. Anything that you want to teach me that they can hear me speak Korean? Because I know
Pad Thai.
a lot of people love to see me learn Korean. And they love to hear Korean. Some people don't even speak English. So we're going to talk about Korean.
I don't know.
You're the one that speaks Korean. So what is this? Korean. What do you call this here?
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเจาะ
Goteeuja.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเจาะ
The only thing in here that I like is the eggs, the chicken, and the peanuts. The noodles and the vegetables I'm okay with. The fish paste I don't like. Fish sauce, whatever. And I don't really know what to say about sweet soy sauce. I like that it's sweet. It helps. I like it how she puts it in her fried rice. And then we got some limes here. I just call them vegetables because that's all I know about them. A bunch of vegetables that grow somewhere. Chum.
It's like a green onion.
This just smells good. Too much seafood for me. I could taste the fish stuff in that bite. Not strong, which is why I'm still eating it. It'd be the only thing that's ruined the dish for me, but pretty good. She put a lot in it because of the flavor that she likes, and I'm sure she's loving it right now.
Yes, I do.
It's a good way to get me used to eating it because it's not overpowering like when I ate it the one time by itself. It's mixed in with some other flavors, like the soy sauce, sweet. So you're gonna teach me some creme? How do you say cry?
Hot.
Caw?
Hot.
Haw. Ha haw.
You're
Ha
hot.
ha haw.
You're hot. Say you're hot.
Yo haw. Something to get that taste out of my mouth. A little bit about what's going on right now, and everything is closing because of the virus that's affecting elderly people, and we all hope that our grandparents and our parents do well during this time. Don't gotta worry so much about the kids. The kids don't have to show symptoms or anything.
Give him one, the vegetables.
Okay. I have breathing problems, so I don't know if it'll affect me that much. I had a cold recently. Could have been it. I was having trouble breathing while I had a cold, but that's normal for me. It was a little stronger cold. It was a strong one. But I'm good now. Everything's closed down. People are over-ordering what they need, but sure, if they're gonna lock themselves down in their house for 2 weeks, they don't need an exaggerated amount of food and toilet paper. We have toilet paper because I usually order a bunch just because I'm lazy. I order extra stuff because I'm lazy and I don't want to go to the store every day to buy toilet paper. I usually buy it once every couple months anyways.
That's shipped it to our house.
Mm-hmm. We get everything shipped to our house. Every cleaning supply, you see toothpaste, laundry detergent. We order in bulk. From our business, we have an Amway business. So we order everything in bulk from the business. That's why I order toilet paper and stuff. I don't need to be buying stuff. Oh yeah, you tried throwing there my plate, huh? I saw that. You missed my plate. We try to buy things early. The only things we buy at the store are like food that we have to buy.
Everything's closed down, so not everything.
Only things open are grocery stores.
Yeah.
It's quite a hindrance because at this time we're hoping to do more, even with videoing.
But we can't. You can go to the park. It's still cold out. I don't know if the parks are open.
You got a stuffy nose, boy. So my other video that I made on my channel, the Heroscape, Priscilla was holding the camera, and her brother was holding the camera too for a little bit.
Really?
Hey, get your hands out of my food. Get your feet out of my food.
Put the jaw. Đây. À, thay à? À. Chị nào? Chị à?
I'm trying to eat this without vegetables getting in the way.
All we do is eat, you know, sleep. Can't go anywhere.
Now that my voice is back a little bit, we're back to making videos.
I'm like this.
You don't want the vegetables?
Nah, not the green ones.
These are the
The green
back.
ones don't really want to go down. They don't want to be chewed.
Yep, they are.
Sitting here chewing the green ones like chewing gum. Chewing.
Not bad. That's shrimp.
This, you're not having this. Not for baby.
I eat all mine. I don't waste any.
Oh, don't waste mine. You gotta eat mine too. Excuse me. Okay, I don't want you to dump your water on me. You drink it. I don't want your water. Give it to Mama. Mama wants it. Look at Mommy. Mommy wants it. Oh, look at, yeah, Mommy, look at, she wants it. Yeah, give it to her. There you go. Wow.
Okay. No. Quack.
Quack.
Gini. Quack.
Oh, quack. Quack.
Quack. Cause this thing you eat sugar, it tastes good.
There you go.
La la la, la.
He likes to fight. Yeah, he likes to fight. Beat us up.
So sour.
Of course. You know, looks super sour. Man, my eye twitch. How super sour it looks. It's not even,
Maybe he likes it. Just want to play with my button.
Button.
Button. Button.
We have a friend out there, Eddie. He asked us to make movies more like the ones on my videos. I got videos on my channel that I did like 10 years ago. And he said he wants to see videos like that. I don't know if you guys want to see videos like
Was
that.
it 10 years ago?
About 10 years ago.
That was before you met me?
That's 10 years ago, about 7, 8 years ago, somewhere around there. And I was making videos, like movies, they're funny, before I met Paul, so Paul's not in them. And our friend Eddie said, you know, hey, make videos like that. I don't know if that's what everybody wants to see. Do you guys want to see more funny videos or just eating videos? Because we seem to have people that want to rather watch us eat because we get more views on eating than we do with other things. Like we made a kind of a movie with a grandpa kind of video, a scary video, but it's a comedy with the kids. But nobody wanted to watch it, so I don't know what you guys want to see.
A lot of people watching it.
Everybody wants to see us eat, so I guess we'll just eat. That's what you guys want to see. But if you want to see other things, you know, I got my channel with gaming. We got her channel with eating and vlogs.
Okay. Abeya.
Abeya?
Abenya. Abeya lo.
Abeya lo?
Abeya lo.
Abeya lo? What does that mean?
Let's make thumbnail. Closer. Alright, everybody, we're all done now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. If you have not done yet, so make sure you subscribe. Smash that notification bell, like and share and comment. Okay. See what you think. Okay. So we'll see you guys later. Take care and be safe.
Thanks,
Bye.
guys.